We need to get this on my eyelids right away to find out if it's really worth the $230. This is from Gucci. It's their newest Flora palette, and I never thought I would own anything from Gucci, but here I am. It feels like I am dreaming. So let's dive into the eyeshadows, and I hope to earn your subscription today, so please subscribe. My eyelids don't realize how lucky they are right now. All right, so let's get into the tutorial. I am just constantly looking at this beautiful peach shade. It's calling my name. I know there's beautiful blues in here, but I really want to just jump into this peach shade. I still haven't cleaned my brushes. I'm running low right away. So this is the first shade we're grabbing. I have no idea what its name is. We're gonna begin by just buffing this into the crease all over in windshield wiper motions. Look how beautiful and soft this color is. So we're making this really nice and smoky and blending it out beautifully. Look at that. I could wear this on my lid every single day. This is so pretty. This is so much nicer than I thought. Oh my God. So you can see how it started really softly, but now we are able to build up that color and it's becoming a lot brighter. Again, just smoking it out, buffing it in. I'm pretty happy with that. I need to take a moment to show you the packaging because it is the star of the show for me. The color scheme and the beautiful floral details is just perfect chef's kiss. It's everything. It just looks and feels so expensive. Probably because it is. And I also just learned that you could actually pop out the palette. So let me demonstrate. You just pop it out. And look at that, it's magic. So I just love that this is multi-purpose and it does this. I think it's so cool. I'm not sure what I would put in here, but it's the most expensive container in my house. How good. All right, let's get back to the tutorial. Okay, next up we're gonna go into this cool tone shade right here. There's a lot of fallout. A lot of fallout. All right, and we're just gonna begin by popping this on the outer corner. We're just gonna slowly build that up. And tap it on and buff it in all the way up into that crease area to mesh in with that first shade. This really deepens. I didn't expect it to build so much. I really like that. I like that you can do a really soft wash of color, or you can keep pressing in the color and then build it up. I do really like that. I'm gonna jump back into this beautiful peach because I want to build up some more color. I really want it to be peachy. Look how soft that is. It's so nice. All right, what do I do next? Okay, so now with that peachy color, I'm gonna put it on the inner corner of my eye, just on that first third. I hope that makes sense. I really want that peach to just pop. So we're really pushing that onto the lid now. Yeah, that's much better. Also on my eyelids is just the foundation, concealer and powder that I've got on. It's no eye primer, this is all just foundation. Okay, I think we're gonna keep this look pretty simple today. Don't wanna do too much. Now the color story and the swatches of this palette have a really nice softness about them, and I actually really like that. For me, this color story is unique to my collection, but I have no doubt that I could find dupes for the individual shades in here in a few palettes in my collection, because these seem to be pretty common colors. There's nothing that really stands out to be different. I would love to know what you guys think of this color story and of the swatches. Okay, we have to put some blue on there. So I'm gonna go in with my finger and add this blue shade. I'm gonna pop this on the very center of the lid. Oh, that actually looks pretty cute. I always get nervous adding different colors together. Now, I would say these shimmers are actually more of a true shimmer rather than a glittery metallic-y shimmer. I think these are pretty soft. They don't have heaps of sparkle to them. And you know, I'm a sparkly girl, okay? So I do like my sparkles. But I guess it's nice to have some diversity in my collection. Okay, I'm gonna jump back in with the peach. Now this palette already has sentimental value to me because it was a gift from my parents, which is really special. It's so interesting how makeup products can be sentimental and hold so many memories. I still know the palettes that I used on my wedding day, when I had birthdays, at my graduation. I still remember all of those palettes that I used. And every time I use those palettes, I think of those memories. Do you feel the same way? Do you have sentimental value to certain palettes and memories that go with them? I would love to know your stories in the comments, so please let me know, or is it just me? Am I crazy? It could just be me, but please let me know. Oh, we do need to add just one more blue. Just one more blue. We're gonna add the lightest blue in the palette. I will say, I think I can see a huge variety of different looks you could get out of this, which is kind of surprising because originally I didn't think you could get heaps of different looks, but I do think you can. You've got your peaches, you've got your blues, you've got your cool tone neutrals, you've got slightly warmer tone neutrals, and also like this pretty bronze and this purple. So I think you could do heaps of different things. But with this shade, we're gonna tap it right on top of where we had that other blue. Is there a plane? All right, so this light blue shade we're adding just on top, and it's gonna act as a highlight point to the other blue. So we're creating the extra dimension, some more 3D effect, you know, all that stuff. So we're just gonna tap it on the top. Okay, how is that looking? What do we think? It's not my favorite look, I will admit. It's definitely different to what I normally do. Okay, now you know I never miss an opportunity to have an inner corner highlight. Yes, look at that. That's instantly yes. It never fails me. Inner corner highlights never fail me. I just love them. This is actually really nice. I do like the color of this. And I think it's exactly what this look needs. This is a great color. So please tell me, are you crazy enough to buy expensive luxury makeup? I do like that. And I'm gonna pop it on the brow bone. Now this is pulling it all together. This is making the biggest difference. This to me looks really beautiful now. How good. All right, bottom lash line time. We're gonna continue with the peach theme because that's just where I'm at today. Is that another plane? That's another plane. The fallout in this pan is ridiculous, but it's not falling out on my face, okay? So just remember that to tap your brush. So we're buffing the peach shade into that bottom lash line, and yes, this is good. I'm actually impressed. I actually like this. I really didn't think I'd enjoy this as much as I am. All right, now I know there's one of you out there screaming at me, telling me to put the blue on the bottom lash line, and I think you're right. I'm gonna grab the lightest blue, and this is for you, that one person who wants this. You know what, I think it needs the other blue. We're gonna go back in with this blue because I think it needs a deeper blue. Okay, there we go. Can you see that difference? I can see the difference. Just trust me, it's there. It is different, I promise. That's actually pretty cute. Grabbing a white cream gel liner, I'm gonna line my bottom waterline. Should I do a wing? I am tempted to do a wing. Also, on my lips is actually kind of like a really nice glossy lip balm type of lipstick. It's from the same collection, and I think it is just the most prettiest thing I've ever owned is this thing right here. It's in the shade They Met in Argentina, and I just absolutely love this. Just look at that color, look. I have been wearing it throughout the video. It's just everything. If you made it to this point in the video, just know that this is probably my favorite compared to this. I love the smell, I love the color, everything. I want more. I want heaps more of these. So I'm gonna look for more affordable options, and I'll let you know if I find any. But just know this is everything to me. And it matches the color story perfectly. Should I do a shadow wing? I never like a shadow wing on me, but maybe I should. Let's just do it. Why not? Oh my God. All right, we're gonna go in with the deepest shadow, and I'm about to make a mistake, but let's just have fun. I'm gonna stamp this on my lash line. I think a liquid liner might be a little bit too harsh for this look. That is a bit more softer and ethereal, but a shadow wing might be the way to go. I can always do the left side good, but not the right side. You wait and see. You see the right side, it's just gonna be a mess. Okay, here we go, say a prayer. It's a moment of truth. Try and get them to look even. Did I do it? I don't think so. Yeah, this looks much nicer now with all this. This is definitely making it work. Very happy with how this is going. This was a good decision. I don't think I did too bad. Happy with that. So now I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes. So we're now going to go ahead and curl our lashes and then just apply mascara. No false lashes today. I can't even remember the last time I wore false lashes. I think it was on my wedding day, which was last year. So it's been quite a while. This formula of eyeshadows I think would go really nicely on different types of skin. Whether you have dry skin, oily skin, but especially mature skin, I could see this shadow looking beautiful on mature skin. So I think it is extremely versatile for the different skin type, which I love that about it. That looks great. I think it looks wonderful. Now, is this luxury palette worth the crazy price tag? No, of course not. But if you are a makeup collector like I am, who just loves eyeshadow palettes, then you may see the value in it. It is a really nice palette with beautiful packaging. The formula is actually really nice and it is super blendable and buildable. There is nothing wrong with this palette except for how expensive it is. I think it is so cute. I love it. If you want to see me test out another luxury eyeshadow palette, I have just uploaded a video right here using the newest Pat McGrath Mothership palette. I really hope to see you guys over there. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have a great day. I love you and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.